Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Prangut ki hebret shenrang bat kan thai bat kat tu kat ni ki bala khamsan karta kin select mi khmat ekajela Meghalaya ha ka Dumao National BJJ Championship ka Bansalong Hanong ba New Delhi ha ka Arphoterik mentau bana Jemang. Na pedeng gini ki prangut ki don arngut ki hebret ki bala yo alat bani shimenta ha kani ka lumpung ilek kai. Kini ki arngut ki kentop yo hebret jo tham war nongbri bat udamer bha phawa ki badang khat asnem karta kat ban riungut ki weipat ki dei ki belasan karta ki bakan thop yau Echwa Miado Marbanyang u Frankie Star Moment u Remy Kharchandi u Reforming Marwen bat u Isaya Kharmoplang ka jingile ka Jiu Jitsu ka dei ka jingile ka be srim thekum ka martial arts ha ka balas dang ya ni ka jingile ka ha Meghalaya da ka Happy Rooster MMA ha po ka jingelam jong Isaya Kharmoplang bat u Ruben Lulam.
This is the Dumao National Championship, and this is an international tournament. It is a tournament that travels all around the world, and this year we are fortunate enough that it has come to India, and the tournament will be held on the 20th of May 2018. And this will be held in Delhi. We have 8 athletes representing Meghalaya, and these athletes have been training for the past 1 to 1.5 years. These athletes are all mixed martial artists. So Jiu-Jitsu being one of the arts that we practice, hence we are going to represent the state in this Jiu-Jitsu championship. The names of the athletes are, one is we have Damer, she's 12 years old. Yeah, Damer Baharum now.
12 years?
12 years of age.